Jover Laurio, the woman behind Pinoy Ako blog, sues self-proclaimed political and social commentator Franco Mabanta for 4 counts of libel. Laurio, in a complaint filed Friday, is suing Mabanta for his Facebook posts made in October, where he made fun of her appearance. In various posts, Mabanta referred to Laurio as an ogre lady who is profoundly disgusting and hideous. He also accused her of playing the victim card and being funded by Yellows, referring to the Liberal Party. According to Laurio's complaint, the first 3 counts of libel were committed by Mabanta when he reposted his attacks against her person via 3 Facebook posts, while the 4th count was committed when he claimed that the Liberal Party paid for my interview in ANC and that I was tasked to bring up the victim card during the said interview. Laurio says she received attacks and messages in her Facebook account, similar to Mabanta's, disparaging her appearance. Laurio is seeking compensation for moral damages amounting to no less than 500,000 pesos for each incident. In a blog post also on Friday, Laurio says the complaint is the start of a series of 3 cases she will be filing. She says she is filing a separate complaint against RJ Nieto, also known as Thinking Pinoy, and Sas Sasot for accusing her of committing libel against various personalities. Laurio adds the 2 maliciously and with ill intent exposed her as the author of Pinoy Ako blog. Mabanta, along with bloggers Nieto and Sasot, are supporters of President Rodrigo Duterte.